In the history, for the first time, GS imagines he's gonna do something that no one has ever thought of.
This is going to be a totally different video, which might end up shaking the whole world.
So do you wanna know what we are gonna do?
We are gonna do
Hello everyone, myself Simran Das.
Hi everyone, I'm Gorika Das.
And welcome back to our channel, GS Imagines! Yay! So this is our first mission video.
Of Games Venture Academy 2022.
So I guess it's worth celebrating for us.
Yes, definitely.
So you can see we are dressed so well.
Literally like we're twinning, you know?
Yeah,
twinning.
same top, same
Same
inner,
inner,
same pants. I don't think so you
Yeah,
can see though.
Family. Anyways,
Same earrings, same clips, same nails.
Even same lipstick.
Oh yes.
Okay, so we have told enough about our looks. Now let's talk about the video.
So in this video, we are gonna show our talent to promote Korean culture. And our talent is to cook!
We are gonna wear our apron and cook some delicious Korean dishes.
So let's go and cook.
Yeah. But
Oh,
wait. Do we have the ingredients?
I don't think so.
Then what are we waiting for? Let's go! Come, let's go!
Sorry, we
Bye-bye.
need to go to shopping.
안녕하세요! We are on our way to shopping.
Because we decided to cook some Korean dishes.
Let's see what we can find in our local store.
So let's go. Let's go. Bye.
So finally we reached the market.
Okay, so here we go. What we need.
Let's see what we
I bought it few days ago and it tastes really good honestly. We have the Korean kimchi flavor. I don't think so. I don't have anything else rather than this. Yes, let's take this. Let's take 2 of them.
So we bought what we needed.
Now let's go back home. So there was literally nothing except for the ramen in the departmental store.
So we thought to prepare tteokbokki by ourselves.
And also cook the ramen. So yeah, let's go.
So first we'll boil the water for the dough.
Now we will add rice flour in a big bowl.
Now we will pour the lukewarm water in the bowl.
Now our dough is ready.
Now add some mustard oil in the dough.
Now take a certain amount of dough and roll it over to give a cylindrical shape.
And cut it into small pieces.
You can make it bigger if you want to by rolling it in your hands.
Repeat the same process with the rest amount of dough left.
Now it is ready to be cooked.
Now turn on the stove and boil water in a pan.
Boil it for 5 to 6 minutes.
If required, add more water.
Add 2 tablespoons of red chili powder.
1 tablespoon of soya sauce.
2 tablespoons of tomato sauce.
One tablespoon of sugar.
And mix it well.
Add a little amount of water to make a paste.
And again mix it well.
Let's check the rice cake.
Our rice cakes have been boiled for 5 to 6 minutes now.
Drain out the excess water from the pan.
Be careful not to burn your hands.
Now again in a pan boil some water.
Now add the paste that we prepared earlier.
Mix the sauce well in the boiling water.
Let it boil for few minutes.
Now add the rice cakes in the pan carefully.
Stir the rice cakes well in the gravy.
Add a little amount of ramen sauce.
And mix it well.
Add salt to your taste.
And mix it well.
Seems like our tteokbokki is ready to be eaten.
Transfer the tteokbokki in a bowl.
Add sesame seeds and tiny pieces of seaweed. Now let's make ramen.
Boil water for ramen.
Add the ramen in the pan.
If required, add more amount of water.
Let the ramen boil for a few minutes.
Add the ramen sauce in the pan.
And mix it well.
Our ramen is ready.
Wow, everything is looking so delicious.
We are literally dying to taste it.
Tasty.
We tasted the ramen and the tteokbokki and they were super tasty and spicy.
We totally love the taste and obviously we're gonna make it again.
So that's all for today's video. We hope that you guys loved our first ever cooking video. So don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment down below your thoughts. Bye!